Dear Kuya Rod, I've been in a relationship with my girlfriend for almost 4 years now. She's a nurse, hardworking, caring, and honestly, mabait siya. But there's one thing I can't ignore anymore. She gambles. At first, maliit lang. Pampalipas oras, online games, casino applications, libangan lang sabi niya. But over time, lumala. There were months na kulang ang pambayad niya sa bills. May times na naghihiram siya sa akin and I helped kasi mahal ko siya. Pero napapansin ko, hindi na siya natututo. Every time we talk about it, she says she'll stop. Every time, babalik uli. Kuya Rod, I'm torn. I love her. I see her potential. But I also see where this is going. I'm starting to feel like I'm not her partner anymore. Parang ako na ang sumasalo sa consequences ng choices niya. Kuya Rod, hanggang saan ba ang pagmamahal kung nasisira na rin ako? Mula sa ating kapatid, pangalan po niya ay tinatago niya sa pangalang concerned partner. Alam mo, kapatid, this is one of the hardest kind of love because you're not dealing with a bad person. You're dealing with a good person with a destructive pattern. And gambling is not just a habit, it's an addiction. Alam natin yan, di ba? At ang problema sa addiction, hindi sapat ang pagmamahal para matigil ito. Let me very clear, hindi mo responsibilidad ang iligtas siya kung siya mismo ay hindi pa handang iligtas ang sarili niya. You can support, you can guide, you can even stay, but you cannot carry her consequences forever. Kasi kapag ginawa mo yan, unti-unti, ikaw naman ang lulubog. Love is not just about staying. Love is also about setting boundaries. So here's my advice. Have one honest conversation. Not emotional, not angry, but firm. Sabi mo sa kanya, I love you, but I cannot continue a future na ganito ang pattern natin. If you want us to work, you need to take real steps to fix this. And real steps means accountability, transparency, willingness to get help. Because if nothing changes, then you're not choosing love anymore. You're choosing sacrifice without direction. And that will break you.